Do you have abnormal vision difficulties? Does your skin seem especially white and or light? Do you constantly have those annoying fellow people coming to poke you for no apparent reason? We are PRIP. Please don't poke the pale people, and we are here to tell you you may have albinism. Albinism is a genetic disorder that can be passed down through families as a recessive gene, so the carrier can only have the disorder if both parents are carriers. It is caused when there is a mutation in the cell because of the gene. These cells produce a pigment called melanin and give our body coloration. Albinos, as many call them, tend to have a lack of pigment in the eyes, skin, and the hair. Also, many have vision problems. Given these vision problems, the best and most common test for albinism is a vision test, but blood tests are also used in some cases. When it comes to having children, carriers should be aware of the risk of a child having albinism. There is not much benefit to this disorder at all, and the potential parents should try their best to avoid having albinism-affected children for their family's sake. Albinism may lead to many unpleasant health issues, including skin cancer and pachydermia, a disease where the skin gets rough, thick, and coarse. On the positive side, however, this disorder tends to be very rare, so the chances of your future child getting it are very slim. In addition to that, this disorder is based on a recessive gene and only occurs when the specific gene received from both parents who are either affected or are carriers. Due to this, the chances of having an albino child is not usually From all of us here at
for potential parents
just
to worry
remember
about,
to
but please
please
check with your
don't
doctor
poke
for
the pale people.
family history and specifics.
There are many cultural impacts of albinism. For a family or cultural group, if one of the children is born albino, they tend to look very different from their families, which for some groups may cause some problems. In addition to this, some cultures also consider them to contain spiritual powers.
Albinism may seem to be somewhat an amusing concept to some people, but socially it is a serious issue. Albinos, while growing up, never develop pigmentation and are made fun of for looking different. This ridicule leads to loneliness, low self-esteem, and stress.